Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to show you guys how to make your very own tomato sauce. Now this is versatile when you're making your own pizza or spaghetti with meatball, or you just want it to as a thickener, right? Alright, so let's get through to all the herbs that we're going to be using. We're going to be using some fresh parsley, some fresh basil, fresh oregano, some mint, onion, garlic. We're also going to be using some fennel and some bay leaf and some crushed pepper. Alright, so you guys don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, put on your post notification bell. Alright, so let's get through to making the sauce. You're going to need a lot of tomato, guys, and you're also going to use a food processor. But if you don't have a food processor, maybe you can use like one of those high-speed blenders. Will work just the same. Finally, chop your garlic and your onions. We're going to saute the garlic and the onions, right? So you can use olive oil, but guys, I just realized that I ran out of olive oil, so I'm going to use some vegetable oil. You just want to soften those up a little bit. You want to add your bay leaf, and don't forget to take those out, right? And your fennel. Okay, we're going to add the tomato sauce now. Our sauce is coming together really lovely. Alright, so for each layer of herb that you put in there, you're going to add some salt, right? Just to bring up the flavor a little bit. We're adding some dry pepper. bring out the flavor of this sauce, guys, I recommend that you do it and put it down overnight so all the flavors can marinate and marry together and stuff. Yeah, so join me in my next video, guys, as I show you what exactly I'm going to use with this sauce. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, like, share our video, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next video.